Why do we need hats? Why is there a need for Edward de Bono's 6 thinking hats? Well, an island is like a lump of bread. It has its ingredients, rye and wheat and other flour, water, perhaps some milk, yeast, and it's all put into a plastic bag and sold on the market. An island is like a lump of bread too. Uh, and what's on the package, on the plastic bag, is the image of the island, what the world knows about the island, what the world sees and thinks it knows about the island. When we analyze an island, when we work with the development and the future of an island, we most often cut it into functions, and such functions are the social part, the technical part, and the financial part. Small island politics are cut this way, a municipality works this way, and we see the world this way. Everyone uses this kind of cutting, future planning, development into typically municipality functions. If you go one step up in politics, you find bigger questions like health care, and even higher up on the state level, you find defense, foreign politics. Uh, but still, it's cut in the same way. All level deal with financial issues, of course. Everyone has to count their own money and see what they can get for them. And everyone in a matter of seeing it deals with foreign politics. You always have to think about and worry about your neighbors. Even if you're a small island, a municipality, a region, or a state, you have neighbors and you have to have an idea, a policy about how to work with them, to deal with them. That's foreign politics. These this division into functions is fine as long as everything is fine. But life on small islands is not fine. Most small islands have an aging population. People are leaving the island. It's hard to find jobs. It's hard to get new companies to establish on the islands. Transports are maybe being cut down. Islands are not ecological. The footprints of an island are big, very big sometimes. Freshwater problems, waste management is not easy on an island. And this is not dealt in a good way if we cut the island lump in the traditional way. A small island is a very fragile society, and different questions have to be dealt with in very near relation to others. Tourism affects energy, of course, and population issues. Trade and industry, if there's a grocery shop, if there's a small industry on the island, has much to do with transportation. So all questions come together, and if we deal with them in the way that big societies do, where experts go into one small function at a time and tries to solve that problem, that will not work very well on a small island. We have to have a much more integrated way of looking at the island and let different questions, different aspects, different perspectives have a strong relation to each other and see how they affect each other. This is what the 6 thinking hats have to offer.